A little more about the brakes. These bolts here are what need to come off, and along with this line. And you can also take the tire off without getting this hub off. It's pretty tight clearance. But to get the tire off, then of course these come off. You don't have to take the fender off, which is these bolts here, all through here. Most of them are 9/16, all through here, and then you can go ahead and pull it. We used a cable around the top and then the bottom, but I think once we go to putting it back on, we're going to end up taking this fender off because it's really tight around here. So we're going to have no choice but to take the fender off completely, and then we'll probably just have to lift it to put it back on. And it is a pretty big tire. I'm not sure what it weighs, but again, back to the brakes. We are going to reuse these brake pads. They got quite a bit of meat left on them. And then once I get the parts, these rubber gaskets, I'll call them, for the plungers, I'll go ahead and show installing those. These are the old ones, so as you can see, they got smoked pretty bad when they got hot. These are some of the equipment we used to pull the plungers out, because they were pretty tight in there because of these old pieces that got hot. So when we get the new ones in, I'll go ahead and add on to this video, show you putting them in, and then hopefully putting one side on. We've got both sides off right now.